Hello everyone, I would like to give you a quick overview of this hot kettle actually. So basically I was planning to buy a very expensive one, then I realized I found this one in the website. It's way cheaper than the expensive one, so it's like £120 or something. So in the beginning I wasn't sure because the brand is not that famous, but once I get that, I feel the quality is really good quality, and also it's have plenty of functions which you can use it for day-to-day life. So basically it had child lock. It's very important, otherwise, because this is a touch, if my son touched that, so he can burn his hand with the hot water, but got the child lock, so if you had to hold the child lock for a couple of seconds, then we'll turn on. So then you got 110 for warm, 170 for hot, and then the boiling water. This is plenty. This one is plenty enough, hot enough for make a tea. And the nice cool feature is this room temperature button. Actually, this is good for my son. When child lock on, so he can press this button and get the cold water. I mean, room temperature water. So that's a really good feature. Probably I can show you that. So basically, keep the cup with child lock on, press the button, and it's pouring the normal water. And you can press, you can stop. So basically, you can use these buttons for manual stopping at any point the water you want. And same for the other buttons as well. So if you press boiling, instant boiling, and then it come up to here automatic, but you can stop whenever you want. It will stop. That's a cool feature. If you want just a little bit of water, you can use that. So there's an instruction here how to set up the level. Actually there's two level of water. I think it's one for about this and about that. And this tank got a filter. That's another good feature. So it's water always filtering before it's so it think it's 3-liter tank. It's really good for plenty of teas per day. So Frizzlife, I like this. I would highly recommend it for everyone, whoever's looking for a cheap option for your boiling kettle. And also I would like to say it's save not too much electricity, but a little bit of electricity. Is about £5, £6 per month. It save, I feel like £5. So thing is, it's pretty good investment. I did it. All right, thumbs up everyone, this is really good. Cheers, bye.